How to add music to TikTok video. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. You will find plus button at bottom. Simply click on plus button and you will find this kind of screen pop up. Simply select how many seconds you want. After that, simply record your video. After you're done, click on tick mark at the right side. Simply click on tick mark and you'll find add sound option at the top. Click on add sound. In here you'll find all these sounds pop up. Click on the one you prefer and it will be added to your video in this way. As you can see, there is sound at the top. If you simply want to record it with a sound, you can simply open plus button and camera. You will find add sound option at the top. Select any song you want. After you've selected, you can simply record a video with a sound. After you're done, click on tick mark and then you will find this kind of screen pop up. At right side you will find square button like option with two arrows. Click on it. It will lead you to editing option. At bottom you will find audio option. From here you can add just sound. Press on save. After you're done, you can replace sound, match beats, increase volume, decrease volume. You can also delete if you want. After you're done, you're good to go. This is how to add music to TikTok video. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.